Welcome to our notes and lectures on CIMA paper E3, Strategic Management, a strategic level paper. This is just a brief overview of syllabus. And first we have the strategy process, what is meant by strategy, what is meant by a strategic plan, and basically it's a long-term plan, where we're trying to assess what the organization should be doing in 5 years' time and how it is going to survive, how it is sustainable in the longer term. We have to analyze what's called the organizational ecosystem. Ecosystem is a very popular word in this syllabus. Ecosystem refers really to the organization's environment and its interactions with customers, suppliers, competitors, and the government. Ecosystems change just as they change in nature, and if the business is going to survive, it has to adapt and evolve, just as living creatures have to adapt and evolve to maximize their chance of surviving in the real world. We have to think about what strategic options might be open to us and to try to evaluate those so that we choose, if possible, out of a number of different potential options, we have some way of trying to decide which option might be the best. We make our choice, we have to implement the choice, we have to control our choice, we have to look at the resources available, we have to inspire our staff really to be willing to change to follow the new strategy. We have to control the strategy by setting performance indicators, setting up critical success factors, key performance indicators, so that people know where they should be aiming, and we know whether they're on course or below, where they should be aiming for, and therefore an idea of whether or not the strategy is going to be achieved, and if not, whether or not it can be rescued in some way. And finally, we have the digital strategy. Obviously, digital technology is a big part of the whole 2019 CIMA syllabus, and this will be looking at some of the more modern techniques available in digital technology, such as maybe blockchain technology, such as maybe artificial intelligence, such as 3D printing and so on, all of which businesses must take into account when deciding on their strategy and also staying up to date with the ecosystem in which they are attempting to exist.